When I pulled up, she was punching staff in the face.
Officers arrive after Kayla reportedly attacked staff members. She's already aggressive, and it's clear this isn't going to be straightforward. Her behavior makes you wonder about the role mental health might play, and how quickly things can get out of hands.
That's fine. What's going on?
Stop talking about it. She was attacking staff. I need your people to not touch me either. The other staff member called the police because I pulled up and the staff was trying to pull off. I was trying to get the staff to pull off cars.
The staff member that got punched in the face left?
She was trying to leave.
This is her right here?
And Kayla jumped on the car as she was pulling off, and so she can't leave. She can't go anywhere, but she just attacked her.
What are you so upset about?
I don't want to talk to you, Papa.
Why don't you want to talk to me?
I don't want to talk to you because you're a Papa.
Can you roll it down so I can talk to you? Do you have any injuries?
No, I'm straight.
You sure? Basically what she said, she just started wailing on you?
Yeah, that's it. That's all.
You want press charges?
I don't want to.
Okay.
If she's gonna get in. If she hit me.
Get out of the car.
Come on, Kayla. Get out. Come on, Kayla. Get out. Don't touch me. Get out. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't.
Police try to follow their training, attempting to calm Kayla and keep everyone safe. But her aggression only escalates. She fights back, making it painfully clear how unpredictable these situations are. Officers have to think fast, balancing safety with control, all while trying not to escalate the tension further.
I got her right arm. Put your hand behind your back. Watch out, she bites. Now you're going to jail. There you go. She okay?
She's got a boy. Hey, she's having a seizure. She has a
Right, we're rolling on her side. 2051 dispatch. Oh, sit down.
Shit, my tooth.
Things take a turn when Kayla's condition suddenly worsens. She appears to have a seizure. What was a confrontation becomes a medical emergency. Officers now have to juggle restraining her safely and making sure she gets urgent medical attention. You can hear the panic in the dialogue, concerns about her nose, teeth, and injuries. Total chaos.
You're going to fucking jail.
And the DA just drops her charges anyway.
Fucking kick the cop. How old is she?
She's old enough.
Good.
They just never charge her. Drop the charge. Kick the charge. I'm still your head there.
Just stay on her legs. Just no. Stop!
51, if you could send us a couple more, please.
Lay there.
Stay there! The f*** is your... Stop!
Even during this crisis, Kayla fights back, yelling and insisting she's being wronged. She claims she hasn't done anything illegal, adding confusion and tension to an already chaotic scene. For officers, this is emotionally exhausting. Every second feels like it could tip into something worse.
No!
Get off of me!
No!
Off.
Stop! Copy. Just make it through. Stop fighting!
Lost! Get off of me!
No!
Get off of me! Get off of me!
No.
No!
Off.
No!
Get the f off me! I'ma have my daddy pull up on y'all, bro! I'ma have my uncle pull up on y'all! Y'all all gonna get shot, oh God!
Is it your nose more or your lip? It's hurt up here. Yeah. Doesn't look like it's broken. It's not really bleeding that bad. Let's just get a rag and maybe an ice pack. Alright. Are we gonna take you to the hospital? Sure. I don't think so. It's not broken. Well, I don't know that for sure.
Get off of me! Get off of me! Bro, get the f off of me, bro! Get the f off of me! Get off of me!
No!
Get the f off me! I do nothing wrong, bro!
Yeah, you punched somebody and you kicked a cop in the face.
She was coming after me! What?
Yeah, because you're trying to climb in a car.
Signs of another seizure appear amid the struggle, making things even more complicated. Officers are forced to choose, prioritize restraint, or rush to medical intervention. This is the harsh reality of law enforcement. The line between criminal behavior and medical crisis can be razor thin. One wrong move, and the consequences could be devastating.
Packing the rags for you. I'll just hold it up. That's what I need.
Bro, get the f off of me. Bro, get off of me. Get the f off of me.
Sergeant's on the way, but she did have a seizure. No, this person here. Do you need to go to the hospital? Ma'am, do you need to go to the hospital?
I don't know.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Why?
My hair.
You want to come to the ambulance? Go by ambulance? She's the one that did it.
Get off of me! Get the f off of me! Get off of me! Bro, this is brutally.
Well, sorry your night's going this way.
You're hurting me, bro! Get off of me! Get off of me, bro!
She bites, guys.
Let me know when we're ready.
Kayla repeatedly cries out that she's being choked, her agitation rising as she resists restraint. Officers have to control someone who could hurt herself or them at any moment. The intensity of this back and forth shows how unpredictable and dangerous these encounters can get. It's nothing like what most people imagine policing to be.
Hey, bro! Get off of me!
Watch it.
Get off of me, bro! Get the f off of me, bro!
Hold on.
Get off of me!
Hold on.
Get the f off of me! Get the f off of me!
No.
Get in the wagon.
No!
Get in.
No!
You're gonna hurt yourself.
No, y'all gonna hurt me! The fuck?
You're hurting
Get
yourself.
Get the f off of me! Get off of me! No! Get off of me!
The video captures Kayla's fear in real time. She begs not to be hurt, crying out in distress. Whether it's real fear, confusion from a medical issue, or manipulation, the effect is the same. Chaos. Every word adds to the weight of responsibility on the officer's shoulders.
Get in the wagon. You're gonna get sprayed again. Get in the wagon.
You got his camera?
So, okay. My nose, it goes one direction, comes back. I've broken it like 3 times.
Oh, great.
So you're doing
It's my first bloody nose ever.
ever?
Really?
Ever in my life, yeah.
That's amazing.
I know.
So, post-tasing, she had like a 30-second seizure.
Eventually, the immediate danger is under control. Now the focus shifts to her injuries, possible broken nose, dental damage, and the after effects of her seizures. Medical staff are called, and hospital transport is discussed. But even here, legal implications loom. Her actions carry serious charges.
Do I have
to the hospital?
to? Do I have to?
You don't have to, no.
Yeah, if they don't think it's broken.
Doesn't look like it.
Can you pinch up in this area? Does it feel like things are moving around?
Well, that's a good
Everything
sign
seems
right
pretty
there.
much standing in put.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels fine. It's mostly like right here in my
Yeah.
lip. I don't think they're chipped, right?
No, it's still look wonderful.
When you push your tongue, does anything move back and forth? Nope. Okay. Good.
This is the chick that climbed the tower.
Yeah. And beat up Jenny, and beat up this person, and did this. All the
So
charges
if you could
get
just get a
dropped.
statement, if you can. If you can't, I still got enough for what we have here.
Let's
So.
not drop the charges.
Thanks, guys. Thank you.
For the officers, the ordeal doesn't end once Kayla is transported. They're left with injuries, paperwork, and frustration, wondering how the case will play out in court. Often charges are reduced or even dismissed, leaving officers feeling like the risks they took weren't fully acknowledged. This can be demoralizing and add stress to an already dangerous job. What do you think? Should cases like this be treated more as medical emergencies than criminal acts? Or should violent behavior always have strict legal consequences no matter the reason? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this breakdown insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into real-life cases. Thanks for watching.